Clara County is about to significantly expand its red flag gun restraining order program. Good evening, everybody. I'm Reed Cowell.
And I'm Elizabeth Cook. Devin Fehely reports it's more than quadrupling the size of a special team dedicated to taking guns away from people who might be a danger to both themselves or others.
Obviously, the expansion of this program unfolds against the backdrop of the recent mass shootings in Half Moon Bay and down in Southern California. But Santa Clara County has its own tragic history of mass shootings at the Gilroy Garlic Festival and at the VTA yard. And county officials say they believe aggressive enforcement of red flag laws will ultimately make the community safer.
California has some of the most robust and extensive gun laws in the country, but they need to be meaningful. They need to be effective.
And to be effective, prosecutor James Gibbon Shapiro says those laws need to be enforced. And that's why he's so encouraged by the county's plan to expand its gun violence strike team from 5 to 23 people.
We need to up our capacity so that every time someone makes a threat and has a gun, that we have the resources to get that court order and to remove the guns from that person.
The strike team is made up of prosecutors who file the paperwork for gun violence restraining orders and the law enforcement officers who then physically remove the guns. In 2021, for example, the county used red flag laws to remove guns from 145 people. Each case, they say, is a potential tragedy averted.
The more firearms we remove from people who aren't, who shouldn't have them, who aren't properly taking care of them, the more lives we're going to save.
But gun rights advocates see the issue differently.
Somebody's rights are being trampled.
Sam Paredes, CEO of Gun Owners of California, said red flag laws can be overreaching and overused.
The level of evidence that somebody has to present to a court in order to get a red flag law is very low. It's very low.
Prosecutors say there are safeguards built into the system, and the goal in the interim is to keep both the gun owner and the public safe.
We're trying to temporarily remove those guns to diminish that threat.
The Board of Supervisors is expected to approve $1 million to its budget to fund its part of the program.
Devin, thanks. The federal government, the state and the city of San Jose, and even the sheriff's office are all contributing either money or manpower to the program as well.